Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Bienvenido al nuevo capítulo. Hello friends, how you all? Welcome to the new chapter of Spanish Language Learning Center, and today we'll be talking about stem changing verbs. Yes, we talked about jugar in the last video, and today it's the new variation of stem changing verbs which will happen over the next 3 videos. So we have the verb over here, perder, which means to lose. So air, we know it's a ER verb, and that's the infinitive ending of a verb, and rest of the letters tird constitutes the stem. So over here we have the ending for the regular ER verb, but the stem, this will also undergo a change, and that is why we are calling it as stem changing verb. So regular ER verb endings are O, S, A, emos, eis, en. And over here when we say the stem will undergo a change, so we see perd. So A is the vowel over here, and that will specifically go through the change. So A becomes EA, EA, and this change occurs over the L region. You remember? We saw this L region when we were talking about IR verbs. Yo, tu, usted, and ustedes form. So if I want to say to lose, I replace A over here with EA. Pierdo, I lose. You lose, tu form, pierdes. He loses, she loses, you lose, pierde. They lose, ustedes form, or ellos or ellas form, pierden. We lose, nosotros form, the stem remains intact, perdemos. Vosotros form, you all lose, perdéis. Alright, so let's try and use it in few sentences. You win or lose in a game. So win is ganar, regular AR verb, lose, perder, irregular or stem changing verb. Game, juego. Ganas o pierdes en un juego. They lose every time. Ellos form of perder. Pierden. They can be group of men, group of women, or mixed. Ellos pierden todo el tiempo. I am going to lose my license, so I am going. To go is ir, and we went through the conjugations of ir. Voy, vas, va, vamos. So I am talking about your form. Voy, loses, perder. Voy a perder, because over here we have two. Voy a perder mi licencia. I am going to lose my license. Voy a perder mi licencia. Moving on to another example. Entender, which means to understand. Now this is the verb used almost all the time in Spanish. We use it all the time. Entender, and this is a stem changing verb. So entend, it's the stem. Is the infinitive ending of the verb. So it's a 3-syllable word if you see. En, ten, der. So perder was a 2-syllable word. Per, der. And that is why the vowel A falling in the first syllable, it went through the stem change. Now over here we see en, we see a vowel in first syllable. Ten, it again has a vowel. Der, that's the ER verb ending. So when we have a 3-syllable word, so that's the rule over here you got to remember. When it's a 3-syllable word, you undergo or you make the change in the vowel that falls in the second syllable of the word. So over here it's ten, or A in ten, that will undergo the stem change. And the change which it will undergo is A changing to EA. So if you want to say I understand, first, because it's a ER verb, the regular ER verb ending, O, S, A, emos, eis, en. Now stem change will occur in the L region. So let's start forming the conjugations. I understand. Entiendo. This syllable, this remained intact. This A or the vowel changed to EA. Entiendo. I understand. You understand? Entiendes. He understands. Entiende. Entienden. Ustedes form. Entienden. We understand. Stem remains intact. No change. Entendemos. You all understand? Vosotros form. Entendéis. Alright, so that's a thumb rule that you have to remember with these stem changing verbs, that if you have a two-syllable word, it's the vowel that's there in the first syllable which will undergo the stem change. If it's a three-syllable word, it's this vowel in the second syllable that will undergo the stem change. Now you may also think that how do I figure out that which is the stem changing verb? Well, there's actually no rule for that. That's why these verbs fall in the category of rule breakers. It's only through your reading or using them in day-to-day sentences, knowing more about it on the internet, that you'll eventually figure out, okay, these are stem changing verbs. It's more of like you get to learn it. There's absolutely no way to identify this can be the stem changing. No, this can be regular. No, absolutely no. And now this change, A changing to EA. It's not only there for ER ending verbs. This stem change can occur for AR verbs or IR verbs. Right? So let's first use entender in few sentences, and we will then look at other examples. I understand. Yo entiendo. He understands Spanish. He is él entiende, third form of entender. Él entiende el español. Alright. Now, as I said before, this stem changing is applicable to all the verbs or all the category of verbs, AR, ER and IR. So here we have another example, comenzar, which means to begin or to start. So comenz is the stem and R is the infinitive ending. And again, it's a three-syllable word. Co-main-zar. So we have vowels in all the three syllables, but it's a vowel in the second syllable that will undergo the change in main. And A changes to EA. Now because it's a AR verb, we will have AR verb endings while we are trying to form the conjugations. So it's O, as, a, amos, ais, an. And this conjugation with the stem change occurs in the L region. So I begin, comienzo. Comienzo. You begin, comienzas. Comienzas. He begin, she begin, comienza. They begin, comienzan. We begin, stem remains intact, comenzamos. You all begin, vosotros form, comenzáis. So all these conjugations, they are applicable in present tense. So we are going to look at few verbs which follow the same pattern in the stem changing verb. Pensar, which means to think, two-syllable verb. Empezar, three-syllable verb, which means to start. Sentir, to feel. Cerrar, to close, verb used all the time. So if you notice, we talked about perder, entender, which were ER verb. We talked about comenzar, we saw empezar, pensar, AR verb. Sentir, IR verb. All the three category of verbs, ER, IR, AR. But they all go through stem change transformation. Referir, to refer, three-syllable verb. Preferir, to prefer. Negar, to deny. Defender, to defend, ascender, to rise. So that's like list of few verbs I have given you. Start making their conjugations, start using them in the sentence, and you'll get used to it. There are many verbs apart from these which follow the same pattern of stem changing, where A changes to EA. You'll get to know them as you widen your Spanish verb vocabulary. So that's all we have in this video. Do subscribe to my channel, do click the bell notification so that you get notified as and when the videos come up. And I'll see you in the next chapter. Adios.